Q8362. One way that the automatic ignition relight systems are activated on gas turbine engines is by a drop in compressor discharge pressure, b sensing switch located in the tailpipe, c drop in fuel flow. The correct answer is A. Automatic ignition relight systems on gas turbine engines can be activated by a drop in compressor discharge pressure. When the pressure drops below a certain threshold, it indicates a potential flameout condition. The automatic ignition relight system is then triggered to reignite the flame and prevent engine flameout. Q8363. How are the rotor windings of an aircraft alternator usually excited? A. By a constant AC voltage from the battery. B. By a constant AC voltage. C. By a variable direct current. The correct answer is C. The rotor windings of an aircraft alternator are usually excited by a variable direct current, DC. The DC current is supplied to the rotor windings through slip rings and brushes, allowing for the generation of a rotating magnetic field necessary for producing alternating current, AC, in the stator windings. Q8364. What precaution is usually taken to prevent electrolyte from freezing in a lead-acid battery? A. Place the aircraft in a hangar. B. Remove the battery and keep it under constant charge. C. Keep the battery fully charged. The correct answer is C. To prevent electrolyte from freezing in a lead-acid battery, the battery should be kept fully charged. When a lead-acid battery is fully charged, the electrolyte solution has a lower freezing point, reducing the risk of freezing in cold temperatures. Q8365. What is the ampere-hour rating of a storage battery that is designed to deliver 45 amperes for 2.5 hours? A. 112. B. 90. C. 45. The correct answer is A. The ampere-hour rating of a storage battery is a measure of its capacity to deliver a certain amount of current over a specific period of time. In this case, if the battery is designed to deliver 45 amperes for 2.5 hours, the ampere-hour rating would be calculated by multiplying the current, 45 amperes, by the time, 2.5 hours, resulting in 112.5 ampere-hours. Rounded to the nearest whole number, the ampere-hour rating is 112. Q8366. How many hours will a 140 ampere-hour battery deliver 15 amperes? A. 1. B. 9. C. 14. The correct answer is B. To determine the number of hours a battery will deliver a certain current, you divide the ampere-hour rating of the battery by the current. In this case, dividing the 140 ampere-hour battery by the current of 15 amperes gives you 9.33 hours. Rounded to the nearest whole number, the battery will deliver 15 amperes for approximately 9 hours.